Ready to bring your AI identity to life? In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to create your AI DID and launch your community DID on ForU AI. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate AI DID. First, visit the foruai.io website and click on Generate AI DID. This is your unique AI identity, allowing you to interact seamlessly in the AI ecosystem on ForU AI. Next, click Create Your AI DID. And that's it. You've successfully created your AI DID and launched your community on ForU AI. Your AI agent is now ready to assist, engage, and grow your community.